welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making some shrimp tacos, some tacos de camarón, taquitos dorados, so stay tuned so you can see how I made them. So after you peel your shrimp, you're gonna get the shrimp and you're gonna tap them down with a napkin so that way they're not wet, because you want them to be dry, so when you're putting them in the pan with the oil and the water, they're not like touching each other and then they start splashing. Like, I don't know how to explain, but you know what I mean. So you just have to tap down all the shrimp so they could be a little dry. And I add 3 shrimp per tortilla. I'm gonna put to boil this piece of onion and 1 tomato. I have the shrimp here all dried up and I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. And then I've never tried this one before with it. I'm gonna add it just for a little bit of flavor. Since I have it here, I might as well. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt as well. And then I'm gonna flip the shrimp. And I'm gonna add pepper on this side too. Okay, now I'm gonna let those sit. And then I'm gonna do the rest. I have 3 peeled carrots. I got this one in Mexico. And the guy used it somehow. Let me see. I'm testing this out, okay? I think this is easier. Or let's see. I don't remember how he used this. But however he used it, it sliced it up. He did it so fast. Oh, this one's good. Okay, so before I had this, I would just use this right here. And I would just go like this. And it still did the same thing. So you could do this, but then it all gets stuck here. So since this seemed to work for me, then I'm gonna use this. Which one? Which one was it? I forgot. Hold on. Oh, it was this one. Yeah. Because you're just adding this at the top of the tacos. And now we're going to go with our onion. This one you just need a couple slices, because you're going to add them in the top. It's not that many of us, so I'm only doing a little bit. And I'm going to cut a lemon. I already washed the lemon, okay? Just let it soak in there. I'm gonna add this other piece too. Just so it kind of cooks in. And then now we're gonna go with the lettuce. Actually this is cabbage, not lettuce. Okay, so these are your 3 main ingredients that you're gonna have. You're gonna have the cabbage, the carrots, and the purple onion with some lemon, okay? Well, I'm gonna get the tortillas and put them in a little baggie. I like to use the sandwich ones, the ones that flip. And then I'll put them in the microwave for like 30 seconds. gonna get a napkin and you're gonna put it right here again in the strainer, so all the oil just sinks through. Now you're gonna grab your tortilla and you're gonna put 3 shrimps. It should look like this, and you're gonna fold the tortilla. Usually use the medium shrimp, and the 3 shrimp is enough for the tortilla, but this shrimp is kind of big, so I might have to use 2. Let's see how it does with 3. I think I just have to squeeze them in. So now you're gonna put the tacos in here. And this is why I wanted the shrimp to be dry, because then all this stuff comes up. And then the stuff that we had boiling, we're gonna throw it in the blender. So it was a tomato and a little piece of onion. I'm gonna add 1 chicken bouillon, this much full of salt. Now you want this to be liquidy, and then I'm going to taste it to make sure it has a good flavor, enough salt. It's delicious, it's super good. The same pan, and I'm going to add just a little tiny drop of oil, just enough so it gets wet. And I'm going to pour this back in here. Just so it keeps it hot. So now I'm gonna get the tacos. You're gonna add your cabbage on top. Carrots. And then the onion. And then this is the little broth you made. And then I'm gonna add some sour cream. And then your queso fresco. And that's it. This is how your plate should look.